Welcome to the QC Learning Commons, a space where students can gain the support needed to reach their academic career goals. Let's take a look at one of our study and printing spaces located in Kiley Hall, room 131.
At the QC Learning Commons, I can work with a trained peer mentor or tutor who can better help me understand my coursework and excel as a student.
We have the best peer mentors in many subjects, such as mathematics and chemistry.
During my class breaks, I love that I have the space to do my assignments and collaborate with other students.
We couldn't agree more. The QC Learning Commons spaces are open Monday through Thursday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Hours may vary. During your break, stop by to catch up on some work or print assignments before your next class.
QC Learning Commons doesn't only provide tutoring. They also host interactive workshops and a summer boot camp that prepares you for your classes. My favorite workshop is the pre-calculus boot camp. I learned a lot of new things and made new friends.
We have plenty of workshops and boot camps coming up this semester. Check your Q-mail to stay up to date.
I'm only on campus twice a week, so I love that I have the option to meet with a peer mentor in person on campus, or I meet with them remotely from home.
And if you have any questions or want to visit, you can email us, book an appointment on the app, or just walk in. It's easy.
Here at the QC Learning Commons, our mission is to support students academically during their college careers and inspire students to new and exciting levels of academic and personal achievement.